Welcome, I'm Tanmaya and I'm so excited to be leading Sacred Geometry class soon. It's an amazing, beautiful class that I can only teach in a physical, so I haven't been able to do much of it during the last few months, but we can meet again now. So what will happen in the class is that you will learn how to work with sacred geometry to shift energy in your own field. So sometimes what happens is that we can get emotional or we can get drained around certain situations or people. And the shapes, the geometries literally shift energy. They are vibration in themselves, and our thoughts and emotions are vibration. So the shapes can help us to transmute and transform emotion and to reset in a way. And that works both with our own energy as well as the energy of the spaces around us. So we can learn how to transmute energy in our spaces for when we work or when we want to sleep or when we are coming into a new flat or when we are moving into a hotel room. All those situations, it's great that we can, learn how to reset the energy so we can feel like the space feels like home and it feels welcoming and warm. And we feel we can sleep well and we can concentrate, and so that's all the benefits of using the shapes in our spaces. You don't need any tools for it. I will teach you in the class how to use the shapes without having any physical manifestations of them. We can use our chi to project the shapes into certain parts of the room and in a certain form that will help us to actually achieve that result of transmuting the energy. And the last part of the class will focus on creating a temple space, and that's very high vibration. It's more for meditation and or like healing, self-care, self-nurturing, and it's a beautiful way of creating temple space that I have used a lot in the gatherings that I hold with the women's circle and meditation. And the moment you enter a space that has been prepared like that, you relax, you feel like you can come into your heart, your mind goes quiet. And so having the tools to create a space in this way is going to, be amazing if you're sensitive to energy for yourself, or also if you feel like holding space for others. So that's kind of the last part of the class, how to create temple energy. Then finally, I'll recommend combining sacred geometry with the one-to-one session called a life activation, because that life activation will reset all your energy bodies. It will reset your aura energy, your chakras, your etheric energy, and the elemental lines, earth, water, and fire. All your energy bodies will be reset in one session. So it's very powerful and very healing and it clears the way for the new to come in, for our purpose to come in more clearly, and for letting go of old patterns in a very powerful way. So it's just a one-time session. It's called an activation. And I recommend doing that alongside sacred geometry, but you can also do one without the other. It's really up to you, and I recommend you trust your intuition around that. And the class and the sessions are held at my practice, which is at 95 Lancaster Gate at the Columbia Hotel, which has been remodeled and has now lots of little beautiful office spaces. And it has parking as well. It's right next to Hyde Park. And we will be meeting on the 9th of May. That's my next class date. And for those of you who would like to find out about future class dates, feel free to email or message. I'll be teaching regularly now for the time being. So, okay, sending much love to all of you and hope to meet you again in the physical very soon. Bye.